My dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Idol English School, morning shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 9 students. Our today's topic, Unit 1, Lesson 4 discussions. So let's see our today's topic. Today's date 27/2022, term half yearly, class 9, subject English first paper, topic Unit 1, Lesson 4 discussions, Lecture-05, HWLB5, teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number. So dear students, so as you can see, this is Unit 1, Lesson 4, Bangabandhu's relationship with other countries. Half yearly exam, Lecture 5, HW5, Unit 1, Lesson 4, Exercise C. So read the question and then answer the questions below 1 and 2. I have not seen the Himalayas, but I have seen Sheikh Mujib. In personality and in courage, this man is the Himalayas. I have thus had the experience of witnessing the Himalayas, said Fidel Castro, the then Prime Minister of Cuba in 1973, when he first met Bangabandhu. So this is Fidel Castro's speech in favor of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Such was the impression Bangabandhu left on the minds of world leaders. He owned the position in the heart of people across the world by his selflessness, courage, and greatness. Any country has to determine its mode of dealing with other countries of the world. The Constitution of Bangladesh of 1972 clearly reflects the philosophy, friendship for all, malice to none. Bangabandhu led new government decided to maintain friendly coexistence with other countries based on this principle. The charismatic leadership of Bangabandhu, charismatic means character, nature of person, inspired India to come forward to extend its support during the Liberation War, even in his absence. It played an active role to convince the world leaders about sufferings of the people of Bangladesh and their right to be free. Moreover, this country supported the freedom fighters with its army fighting the Pakistani occupation forces in a frontal war. Not only that, Bangabandhu was given a warm welcome at Palam Airport at Delhi by Mrs. Indira Gandhi on the occasion of his way back home from Pakistan jail via London. However, Bangabandhu's foresightedness, courage, and mental strength were evident in his query to Indian Prime Minister when she would withdraw her army from Bangladesh. Mrs. Gandhi soon replied, "Anytime when you wish." Noticeably, the great leader Bangabandhu had a strong personality to ask for any clarifications from any other leader of the world. Consequently, very soon before Bangabandhu's next birthday, the withdrawal was completed. Bangabandhu had an open mind to maintain good relationship with all countries irrespective of their capitalist, democratic, or socialist ideologies. He left no stones unturned to make entry into different global organizations. During the period between 1972 and 1975, Bangabandhu signed more than 70 treaties, agreements, memorandum, and contracts with different countries of the world, managing entry into OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and attending its conference at Lahore, filled up a major gap in diplomacy of Bangladesh. It opened opportunities to explore all the possibilities of trade and other potentials with the Islamic world. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Let us see. Let us do. What does the word charismatic in the charismatic leadership of Bangabandhu mean here? Beautiful, influential, and attractive, famous. Famous is repeated here. So charismatic means influential and attractive. What does the word personality mean? Character of a person, character, nature of a person, appearance of a person, activities of a person. So what personality means? Character and nature of a person. Next, move to next page. The word impression means idea, imprint, expression, impressive. So impression means idea here. People across the world, what does the underlined word mean? So across means on the other side, throughout, opposite, four sides. So across means throughout. Number E, friendship with all and no malice to none. What does malice mean? Hostility, hatred, dishonor, disliking. So malice means hostility. Coexistence means live together, live with cooperation, cooperative, exist as friend. So coexistence means live together. The word principle means principle, main, quality, ideology. The principle means here ideology. The word during means daring, and a span of time mentioning its starting and ending a fixed time. So during means a span of time mentioning its starting and ending. The word convince means consist, convince, to make someone believe something, contrast. So convince means to make someone believe something. The right to be free, what does the underlined word mean? Right side, nature, justified, demand. So right to be free means justified demand. So SW, your SW will be SW5, submit on Saturday, Unit 1, Lesson 4, Exercise C. So that's all for today, my dear students. So keep practice at home, about with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.